So why do your WhatsApp leads not respond? So you may pay a lot of money to get hot leads from sources like Facebook lead ads, for example, or you have a WhatsApp chat button on your website, right, where they can message you instantly. But what happens if they message you or if you get a new lead? They wait if you don't respond to them instantly. And maybe your human setter already left home, maybe your human setter is busy, or maybe it's the weekend, or maybe you are busy if you are handling the lead response. And maybe you send out one automated message, right? But it looks like an automated message. It doesn't look like a human message, one of these WhatsApp templates with a button. Nobody responds to them anyways. So the next day, then you message them with an actual personal message that looks like from a human, and they don't respond. Why? Because the lead is now cold, right? You probably know this graph here. This is how your lead interest is over time. And this is the critical time, the 0 to 10 minutes actually nowadays. And there's a Harvard study that I'm going to go over in a second. But what is very important is that you message your new leads within 0 to 10 minutes after they showed interest. And it doesn't matter if that's inbound or outbound. If you have this mentality, I will reach out at 9 a.m. the following day, you have no chance nowadays. Like with the TikTok brains, right? People have goldfish brains. They don't even know what they filled out anymore a minute ago because they're already on the next reel or the next TikTok. So it's very critical that you reach to them instantly, even if it's 9 p.m., right? Like if they fill this out right now, it means they want something right now, right? And you should give them a message, right? And that's probably not when you are working anymore. And this Harvard study actually found out that most firms, as you see here, are in like the 12 to more than 24 hours reply, or even no reply, which is, of course, they will never make money. And these will also very likely not make money. And you have to be in the 0 to 5 or 0 to 10 minutes, right? And this is actually already a little bit older, the study. And nowadays, from our experience, from contacting hundreds of thousands of leads, you should be in the 0 to 1 minute, which is quite impossible if you do everything with humans still, right? Now, this study also found that responding to leads after 30 minutes is 21 times less effective. 30 minutes already fast for normal businesses. And you can expect a over 300% more conversion rate for a 1 minute response time. 1 minute, imagine that. Imagine you can reach every lead in 1 minute with not like a template message, not some message that looks like, oh, this is not a real message, but with a message that actually looks like from a human. What is the solution? AI appointment setters on WhatsApp. Why? Because they look exactly like a human. I'm going to show you later how a message looks from an AI appointment setter. You cannot distinguish it. It's just a very human message. You can train it to behave like a woman. If your target audience are male, or like a man if your target audience are female, or whatever. The point is, it doesn't look automated. It looks like a real human is writing you, but 100 times faster, right? So this is history: 48 hours, 24 hours, 1 hour, 10 minutes response time. Your new norm is 10 to 20 seconds for each and every lead that comes in. Whether it's inbound or outbound, you reach them in 10 to 20 seconds, right? And just here are some case studies. This is Carlos. He sells real estate vacation homes, and he booked actually over 1,000 real estate appointments by now. This case study is already a bit old, from his Facebook lead ads that he directly contacts with the AI appointment setter after they fill out a form, right? Or here is one of our clients also in real estate, Costa Realty, or maybe you've heard of Mind Valley, also a company that we are working with right now to automate their lead response and to book them more appointments in an instant manner, right? And here's just some possible funnels that may be familiar to you. For example, you run Facebook ads, and then you want to reach them on WhatsApp to book them into Calendly, or you have a WhatsApp chat button on your website and you want to reach them on WhatsApp, respond to them instantly, follow up on their questions, qualify them in WhatsApp, and then book them into your Calendly. All this is possible with the tool that I'm going to show you in a minute. And yeah, here's just an example of how of how a AI appointment setter messages, right? It can even can look into your calendar, can handle different time zones, look up when is the absolute next available appointment slot, and then book your clients right in, maybe even the same day, maybe the next day early, right? So imagine you get a lead at 9 p.m. They are being contacted by your AI appointment setter, and you have the next day at 9 a.m. you have already a new meeting scheduled, right? Like while you were asleep or while you were watching TV with your wife at home, because the AI setter was working for you while you were not in the office, right? So this is the problem that we're gonna solve. And in the next part, I'm gonna show you how you actually set that up for your business. All of this is gonna happen in 4 simple steps. Let's get started with step 1 of setting up our chatbot. Head over to trysetter.com and click on Build Your Chatbot. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Create Chatbot. Let's give this the name Real Estate Appointment Setter. Click Create Bot. Great, now we're already in the playground. Now, first step is we're gonna edit our prompt. So in this field, you already have an example prompt in here, a quite long and very good working prompt. Now, we don't want to edit this manually, so you're gonna go ahead and select the entire prompt and hit copy and go over to ChatGPT. Great, now I'm in ChatGPT and I'm gonna tell it what my company does and how it should edit this prompt for me. So I just have to copy and paste it back. All right, I'm in ChatGPT 4.0 because that allows us to put this on. That means I can search the web. That means I can just put in my website URL into the prompt here, and it will just scrape my website and then update the placeholders here. So here's exactly what I put into ChatGPT to change our prompt. Hey there, I'm from a real estate company based in Cancun, Mexico. This is my website. The following is an AI appointment setting prompt with placeholders. Please go ahead and edit the placeholders like company descriptions, company names, so that it fits to my company. Also edit the FAQ. And then I said, here's the script that needs to be changed. And I just copy pasted the entire script in here. And now I'm gonna hit go and it will change my script. Awesome, that went fast, about 10 seconds. Let's copy the new script and go back into the app and hit paste. And now we already have a new and optimized script for our company. Of course, you can still edit this and add details and add qualifying questions if you'd like. Let's set our time zone to the time zone that most of our leads are gonna be in. They can also be in other time zones, but let's say that most are from our area where our company is located. Important, hit save. Awesome, now let's go ahead and test our bot. My name is Timo. Awesome, great. It remembered my name and tries to get me excited about a property, a beach property in Cancun. Great, next, let's integrate Calendly. So in the integrations, you see you can connect Calendly or Acuity Scheduling, whatever you prefer to book your meetings with. I'm going to go with Calendly. Let's click connect. And here I selected my account and an event type that I want to associate with this bot. And let's click save. Great. Next, let's head back and connect our WhatsApp business account. Note for this, you need a separate number as each number can only be associated with one business account on Meta. If you need to get a new number, click here on Get a WhatsApp Number. There you can get numbers from $6 a month very, very cheaply. Just click on Generate Number, then put in your current phone number and select a state or country that you want the number of. Hit send and then get your number so that you can get a verification code for your AI appointment setter on WhatsApp. Great, when you're done, you're gonna see your new number here in the dashboard on this website, and they will also send you your number via email. Let's copy that number. Then let's go back to Setter AI, click on Connect WhatsApp and click on this Facebook button here. Now you will be prompted to log in with Facebook. Hit continue and click on get started. Now select a business portfolio that you want the setter to be connected to, and either use an existing WhatsApp business account or create a new one. In most cases, you should create a new one as this is a separate number. Then also select create new WhatsApp business profile and click on next. Give the WhatsApp business account a name. Let's call it AI appointment setter. And let's choose a display name. Let's call her Megan, and choose a category. In this case, we're gonna do hotel and lodging. And now in this step, we're gonna add our number. So click on add a new or existing number. WhatsApp prompts you here that you can get a free number with them, but that only allows you to message yourself, not customers. So we're gonna click on the second option. Then we're gonna click on verify your number with a text message and click next. Now you will receive a verification code either to wherever you bought the number or via email from your business number where I bought my number right now. Great, I'm inputting my verification code and hit next. And finally, I'm gonna click continue. And now your WhatsApp business account is connected and your setter is ready to go. Now let's go ahead and create a WhatsApp link so that you can share this with others or put this on your website or in your Instagram bio, so that when people click on that, they immediately land in your WhatsApp without them having to like save your number and so on. For that, go back to trysetter.com and scroll to the bottom and click on WhatsApp link generator. Here input your country code of your number and here the rest of your number. And you can also have a custom message that will be pre-filled when people click on your link. For example, like, hi there, like to know more. Great, now let's hit generate WhatsApp link. And this is your WhatsApp link. I'm pasting the link right here and it prompts me to open WhatsApp, and I'm gonna send our message here and then it should respond to me quite quickly. Great, here we got a response and let's test it out if it also remembers my name. Great, it says, nice to meet you, Timo. What excites you most about owning blah, blah, blah. In the next message, it asked me, would you like to learn more about how we make it easy and safe to own your dream property in Riviera Maya? Yes, that sounds great. I would probably shorten that message a little bit, this one here, in my prompt later on. I'm in New York. Can you do any later? 9:30 on the 20th. It wants to know my email address so it can schedule the meeting. By the way, as you see, the profile still doesn't have a profile picture and so on. I'm going to show you this in a second, how you change that. Awesome. And now it went ahead and scheduled my appointment and I'm going to receive an email. So the way you change your profile picture and name and information is you're going to go into your business.facebook.com and you're going to go into your WhatsApp manager. For me, that's right here. I click WhatsApp manager. And here I'm going to see my new number. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to click on profile. And I can choose, for example, a profile photo. I can edit my display name. And I can also edit the description, address, website, and so on. And when I add this later, I would hit save. Great, now the first version of your setter is done. Now in the next videos, I'm going to show you how you can run Facebook click to WhatsApp ads. They're actually incredibly cheap. They allow customers directly from Meta, like from Facebook or Instagram, to open a WhatsApp chat. how you can do business initiated messages if you, for example, have a Facebook lead ads form or a form on your website so that you can reach out to them, and how you can implement a chat on WhatsApp button on your website. Great. The link to get started with Setter AI is in the description, and see you in the next video.